There are so many CBD products out there, from creams and lotions to extracts and pills, edibles, even vaping. So if you're interested in taking CBD for your health, what is the best way to take it? Well, let's get into it. Real quick, if you're looking for the most natural ways to guide your health journey, this is your first stop. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Your second stop is to visit globalhealingcenter.com for really helpful health articles, nutrition info, and supplement education. And if you have any questions about health topics, diet and nutrition, lifestyle guidance, please add your comment below. I would love to hear from you. So, cannabidiol, also known as CBD. This is a naturally occurring compound from the cannabis plant. CBD is best taken in a full spectrum organic hemp extract form. This way it contains all of the other cannabinoids, as well as the beneficial terpenes and other compounds. Right now, by law, the extracts must have less than 0.03% THC, so it won't create a psychoactive or high experience. Full spectrum hemp extract can now be bought at a variety of places, locally and online. So there are 4 common ways to get CBD into your system. Sublingually in the mouth, by ingesting it into your system, by applying it topically, and by inhalation. So let's talk a little bit about each one of these. So number 1 is sublingually. This method is where you take a dropper with the recommended amount of full spectrum hemp extract, or CBD, and hold it under your tongue for 1 to 2 minutes before you swallow it. This can release the powerful benefits of CBD and the other phytocannabinoids into your system very rapidly. The next method is just through ingestion, and there are many different edible varieties of CBD available. You can get CBD in hemp in food, you can get it in gummies, sweets, coffee. You can even take it in capsules or even drinks that have CBD in them already. So when you ingest CBD, it takes a while for you to feel the effects and the benefits. It has to go through your digestive system and liver. So it usually takes about 1 to 2 hours to feel if you ingest it into your system. The next way to get benefits from CBD is through topical application. There's lotions, balms, ointments, and oils that can be used to apply directly to your skin. Using CBD in this way is helpful when dealing with sore muscles, inflammation, or any type of skin conditions. So the last method to get CBD into your system is through inhalation. And that can be done through vaping or through smoking CBD. This is not the one I recommend because I think there's more natural, organic methods to get the CBD into your system. Now, which way is the best way for you to add it to your body? Well, everyone is different, but it really depends on what results you're looking for. Personally, I recommend an organic, full-spectrum hemp extract in an MCT or a hemp oil. There's a lot of different products out there. It's very confusing for people. But what you want to look for is you want to look at the company that's producing it. You want to look at the quality. You want to look at a third-party analysis of the hemp extract to make sure that not only does it contain CBD, but it contains the full spectrum, the entourage of all the phytocannabinoids that your system needs to produce that homeostasis or that balance within your system. Another interesting fact is that eating citrus fruits after taking a CBD or a hemp extract may increase or improve the absorption. So for sleep, I recommend taking the hemp extract at least 1 to 2 hours before bed. And now for the free giveaway. If we can share great health information with each and every one of you, we are happy to do so. Click the link below and you're going to receive our free hemp guide that has all you need to know about this great plant and also really great information to guide you on your health journey. As always, thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends who may also be interested in the benefits of hemp. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And leave comments or questions below about your experience with hemp. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, live healthy.